Hello, let's talk about the main parts of a PC. A PC is a personal computer. So we are talking mainly here about the microprocessors. So the main parts of a computer, that a computer has two major parts. This means that the first one is hardware and the second one is software. So we'll discuss one by one. The first one, we'll talk about the hardware. The hardware is simply defined as any physical component of a computer system. So any physical component that is tangible is considered a hardware. Any physical component of a computer system is considered as a hardware. So hardware is further divided into four categories, which can be the input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices, and the communication devices. So the hardware is divided into these main parts or the categories as to its functions. Each are divided according to their functions. Example, the input device, we talk them as they are the devices that input data, and the processing devices, they process the instruction given by the computer, given to the computer by the instructor or a person. Output devices, these are the devices that display or give out the information after processing, and the storage devices, this store information that is linked to that have been processed by the computer. And the communication devices, these are the devices that enable communication and the connectivity. Example specifically about the internet. So examples of computer hardware, we'll take them on brief. As you can see, the first one is the monitor. As you can see, this displays the result of the process. So a monitor looks like that. So when you see that, it's called a monitor. So it displays the results of the process. So if a CPU runs certain kind of processes, then are displayed there into the monitor. The second one is the keyboard. As you can see it, a whole pound keyboard. It's the major data input in the computer. So input device, as you said, that they are the devices that input information to the computer. So this means that a keyboard as a major input device is that it instructs, enables the entering of information into the computer. As there are various keys and their functions, we'll talk them on later to the other videos. So these keys enable the entering of various information. Now the third one is that a mouse. As you can see it, that is a typical example of optical mouse. So a mouse is a small device which move across the top of the disk to move the pointer or cursor on the screen. So the mouse is the device that also inputs data through the moving of the pointer, that pointer that uses to insert information. So that is the mouse. Now, so we've already seen the three: monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Now let's talk about it. The other computer hardware's example, printer, used to make paper copy of information into a computer. So a printer is a device that uses to make the software document into a hard copy. So this is also a device which you can say that is an output device. It gives us the hard copy. And the other one is image scanner. This is the input device, is an electronic device that generates a digital representation of an image for data input to a computer. So image scanner, it scans, so it inputs a digital presentation of an image as an input to a computer. So this connects that image. After it scans, it displays it, or it enters the information to a computer. So let's start talking few of the input devices. As we already said, that an input device is the computer component that used to feed data and information into a computer system. So a computer input device is this feed information or data into a computer system. Example of such we've already seen, like the keyboard. Keyboard as the main input device. Mouse, we've already seen it. Scanner, digital camera, microphone, touchpads, joystick, webcam, light pen, etc. So you can notice that any device that inputs information to a computer is generally known as an input device. So thank you. In this video we've talked with these few of the hardware components. We'll talk more of them in the other videos. Thank you for listening. If you have any doubt or question, just leave it in the comment section. So like and share to anyone in need, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this content. Thank you.